Tired of annoying watermarks ruining your perfect photos? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make those watermarks disappear quickly, easily, and professionally. Let's get started. First, go to Google and search for AIEs. Click the first link, and it will take you to this website. This has different AI tools for photo editing. Hover over this AI removal and go to AI Watermark Remover. Here you see 100% free AI Image Watermark Remover. You can see more details below. Now, click on this button, and then you come to this space. You're going to edit your image here. First, you need to upload the image with watermarks here. Let me download one with watermarks on it. I am going to Shutterstock for the image. Let's pick this one. It has a lot of watermarks and of different kinds. After uploading the image, I can remove watermark automatically or manually from here. Let's try the auto remover first and see what happens. Click on the Remove button. You might not need to sign in for the first few tries, but if you need to, just do so. You don't have to pay, so no worries. After signing in, click the Remove button again. It will take some time to edit the image. After a few seconds, this is the result. But wait, there are still watermarks on the image. You know what? These are very easy to remove as well. If you still have watermarks like this, go to this manual option now. Select the brush tool, choose the right size, and mark the visible watermarks on the image manually. After finishing selecting all the watermarks, click the Remove button again. After a few seconds of processing, this is the final result. You see all the watermarks on the image are removed correctly, and the image looks perfect. This was the image before, with so many marks on it, and this is the result after the magic. Now download the image from here, and use how you want. And that's it. Now you know how to remove watermarks from your photos like a pro, and also for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.